Welcome to the Hard Research channel. Today I will show you how to hide photos from the gallery on the AGM H6. First, open your Google Photos app and then pick the picture or video you want to hide, for example this one. Then scroll right here. Embed. And press move to archive. Right, so this picture is now hidden from the gallery, but it can still be searched for. Go to collections and go to archive. As you can see, the pictures are still accessible, not password protected, but it's still more obscure than just being on the gallery. Thank you for watching, subscribe to the Hard Research channel for videos, leave a like and a comment, and goodbye.